Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, June 23rd, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 7 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 890.50. Just prior to that, we actually had a pre-market setup for one of our trades that we look for that we called in the room, and we actually got into that right prior to the open, and that produced basically our targets for our pre-market half gap that we were shooting for 10 ticks. This tick count is not included in our tick count total for the video. Because this was a pre-market trade, we do not have that counted in our video trades that we had here. So anyway, we did go down, fill our half gap, and basically we warned the room today that today was a range day and that our setups would actually add to some chop in the morning. And although I'm showing these trades on our video because they are signals that do happen to plan, in our trading room we warned our traders not to be taking this. We're trading it more of as a ranged program for today. But nonetheless, we did get a signal to go long, got our first signal off, first contract off, did not get any follow through because of the range trade, so we lost 2 ticks on that particular trade. And sure enough, got a signal to go short, same thing, first contract off, no follow through, minus 2 ticks. So you know, when there is a range day after a large move, you know, you tend to sometimes get the moving averages all converge, and in this situation we had some signals going, and they got the first targets off, which is always nice, but we did get stopped out of our second contracts. Finally, right before 10:30, we actually got a range expansion to the downside, went down to the previous day's lows, filled our entire gap, and on that bounce off the previous day's lows, we moved back up towards our opening price. Now, this particular trade in the room we talked about as one that would be a valid one to take, and really was the first trade of the day, because those other the pre-market 10-pointer and then those 2 you know, 1 contract stop outs, basically we were sitting on our hands trying to avoid those. But we did take this one short, and it did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside. A real nice trade, went down and broke through the Globex lows and gave us 19 ticks to the downside. So that was a real nice trade. And then on that bounce right at 11:15, right before the lunchtime dead zone, we got another signal to go long, and that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks. So you know, really we had a real decent morning session, but there was some chop just because of the way that you know, yesterday ended. And today the afternoon session wasn't much better. Matter of fact, we got an opportunity to get long, and we did not get our first contract off on that particular on signal. So that was a full stop out of 14 ticks if you stuck around and traded the afternoon. And then following that trade up, there was a signal to go short, and luckily due to the level of entry, we came within 1 tick of being stopped out, but we did get turned around, and it produced at least target 1 anyway for its first target, and we got stopped out of the second contract. But nonetheless, I mean, even with you know, taking the plan as written and taking every signal, you still produce 6 trades today for 7 ES ticks. So still a successful day. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.